Welcome to my episode of my new series where I show you workouts you can do totally at home. Even though I'm clearly at the gym, listen, we're using the gym for vibes. The workout, 100% living room approved. First, we're starting on the treadmill, but at home, this could be marching in place, high knees, dancing in your kitchen, running from your responsibilities, whatever gets your heart rate up. All right, next up is a mat and dumbbells. At home, this could be water bottles, canned beans, laundry detergent. Be resourceful. Today, we're focusing on upper body. Literally, every day I'm at the gym, I'm focusing on upper body. That is my weakness. Remember, when you're doing these exercises, make sure everything is controlled reps. Core is tight, no swinging, slow on the way down, power the way up. We're building strength, not momentum. Now, my version of crunches, because we don't just do boring crunches here. Lean back slightly, core tight, dumbbells up, control crunch, slightly twist. We are not flipping around, we are intentional. Exhale, slow down. If it burns, good. That means it's working. If it doesn't burn, check your form. If I complete this rep, I'm going to circle back to the first exercises that I was doing in the beginning. And mind you, we're doing 3 sets of 15. And remember, you want to move slowly. Everything that you do when you work out is going to be slowly. Now, this next exercise that I'm doing, when I mean your abs is going to be on fire, but that's what you want. That's what you want. All you're going to do is pulsate and hold for a few seconds. I cannot hold that long, but I'm building my endurance. That's all that matters. Now, this is going to be my go-to arm workouts. Now, you can do the standing up. I prefer doing it sitting down, but just make sure you get the movements in. First, we're just going to lean forward. I don't know the actual name of these workouts, and I say this all the time. I'm very vocal. I just know the benefits, and that's all that matters, right? So I'm just taking a rest. I'm going to get back in there. Next exercise that I am obsessed with doing is mountain climbers. And mind you, we do this 3 times, 3 sets of 15. And that's the workout. Simple, effective, at home approved. This series is all about showing you that you do not need any fancy machines, just consistency, a little creativity, and maybe some reading material for cardio. If you like this video, comment below, and I'll see you in my next video.